Hey, Mommy! On the grow. Silas. Hop it on the roll. Hey, this is a nice video.
What is this? Did you get a new present? Right? Melissa and Doug. Keys and Cars Rescue Garage.
I can do this.
Okay, we can do it together. Let's see what's inside.
The keys and stuff. Aha! That's what
It says
I
it's
get.
tape. Look, see the tape?
Yeah. That's what I get.
We got keys.
I got keys.
3 keys.
Oh.
Pull the tape.
How's this work?
Fingers in there.
That's right. Just have to put it the right way. I think we have to take this stuff out of the box. You want to do that?
Yeah.
Okay. I think you have to find the key. Find the red key.
It's here.
Right?
Let me get this out.
Okay, it's just a piece of tape. I'll help you. More keys.
More keys.
And another vehicle. Woo, 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 woo.
That's right. That's not right. What? Let me see. How this look? Ah,
There, you got it. Now it should open.
I can't open it. You open this.
Okay, let me see. If I have any criticisms about this is hard to turn and the key's kind of flimsy. Vroom, vroom.
We're in station.
Back it at the station. Yay, let's close the door. Ta-da.
This one first. Baby, I'm going back to the station.
Yeah, this is gonna break. I bet money this is gonna break. And this little thing is supposed to eject the car. But it's really not easy to do and not very strong. But it does make the car come out.
Wait.
See that? Watch. Push that. Here comes your car.
No. It's in there. It's a key. Oh, no.
So you have to match the colors. So we're gonna give Melissa and Doug's Keys and Car Rescue Garage 3 out of 5 stars. You like it though?
Yeah.
We say 5 stars for the really great ones, though, don't we? It does have a key ring up here. Alright, say bye everybody.
No.
Oh, tell everybody you need a haircut.
I need cut.
Yeah, we do.
This one.
See you on the next one.